Ways to ensure disaster preparedness during earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. First, know your risk. Research the area and find out if you live near an active fault line.
Second, create a disaster plan. Earthquake preparedness can help reduce anxiety and minimize injury. Teach your family members the cover strategy.
Prepare an emergency kit like the important documents, the medicine, alcohol, flashlight, face mask, blanket, the foods, water, and the radio.
One of the biggest hazards during an earthquake is falling debris and furniture. Take cover in a safe place. Take these 3 steps when you feel the ground shake. First, drop, cover, and hold. We must lock the door and the windows. Stay inside, do not go outside until after the shaking stops.
Today, we'll show you the different ways to ensure disaster preparedness during earthquake, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions.
After an earthquake, be prepared for aftershocks. This can last for days or even weeks after a major earthquake. Stay out of damaged areas or buildings. Earthquakes are an unpredictable catastrophe, so we need to be prepared at all times. Volcanic eruption happens when lava and gas are discharged from a volcanic vent. These are the different ways to ensure disaster preparedness when a volcanic eruption occurs.
First, know the disaster hotlines.
Prepare a go bag in case of evacuation.
Use a face mask to protect yourself from pulmonary injuries and diseases.
Stay tuned to the news to be informed the recent of developments.
Stay away from rivers or streams to avoid lahar flow.
Until the eruption.
Learn the signs of a potential tsunami, such as an earthquake, a loud roar from the ocean, or unusual ocean behavior. Number 1. If you are in the tsunami's area and there is an earthquake, then first protect yourself from the earthquake. Number 2. When the shaking stops, if there are natural signs or official warning of a tsunami, then move immediately to a safe place as high and as far inland as possible. Leave immediately if you're told to do so. If you are in the water, then grab onto something that floats. If you are in a boat, then face the direction of the waves and head out to the sea. If you are in a harbor, then go inland. Number 1. Avoid wading in flood water. Number 2. Be aware of the risk of electrocution. This is the different kinds of preparation during a disaster. Being prepared can reduce fear and the impact of the disaster.